Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening SQL Server Management Studio and connecting to the instance. Make sure you have permission to create tables. Once connected, select the target database in the drop-down or Run Use Database name to set context. Then open a new query window so your statements run against that database. You do this now because context prevents table creation in the wrong database. After that, prepare a simple Create Table template with column names, data types, and a primary key. Now write the Create Table statement. List each column with its SQL Server data type and any constraints. For example, ID int identity 1 primary key name varchar 100 not null created at datatime default getDate. You include identity for auto increment and default to ensure values when inserts omit a column. Once done, verify commas and parentheses, then execute the batch. If you have multiple statements, separate them with go to control execution scope. Execute the Create Table script and watch the messages pane for success or specific error details. Once it completes, refresh the Database Explorer to see the new table, and run a quick select TOP10* from your table to confirm schema and nullability. If you see errors, make sure your syntax is correct. The database user has create table rights, and the table name does not conflict with existing objects. One key tip, read the exact error text. It points you to the column.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.